Hello, and welcome to your employee training on how to generate seaweed. Generating seaweed is really easy. First, you go to create a new node. Look for Multi-Mesh Instance 3D and put that in the scene. From there, you go into Multi-Mesh, click on Empty, make a new multi-mesh. Then you click on it, and then, in your file system, look for the file called seaweedmodel.res. Not the GLB, the res. You put that inside the mesh thing. This thing already contains all of the shader data, so you don't need to worry about that. Next, you click here at the top on multi-mesh, and click Populate Surface. Here you can choose the target surface where you want the seaweed to generate. For example, let's pick Platform 1. Then, in Source Mesh, delete the dots, because the source is already here. For random rotation, crank it to the max, give a little bit of tilt, and 0.5 randomness of scale. And then, click Populate. You'll see that a bit of seaweed will appear everywhere. Since it is a big mesh, they're going to be very spread apart. If you click on Populate Surface again, let's try a bigger amount, like 5,000. The multi-mesh instance node is very good at being optimized and generating a ton of models for free. So feel free to play around and have a fuck ton of seaweed. Look at that. Now, you most likely want to generate them in patches. So here's what you can do. There is an object called seaweedPatchGenerator.obj. Put it in your scene. Using that model mesh, go into multi-mesh. Put your patch generator as a child of the multi-mesh, and put it in the center of the multi-mesh instance. Then, back on multi-mesh instance, generate again, but this time the target surface, select Seaweed Patch Generator, and click Populate. We'll decrease the amount to only 1000. And there you go. Now you have a circular patch of seaweed that gets more and more sparse the further away you are from the center. Once you have your desired patch of seaweed, feel free to delete the seaweed patch generator. You can also play around and try either adding more seaweed. Look at that. If you want the patch to be bigger or smaller, you can scale the patch, and then once you generate, instead of making the seaweed bigger, they will stay the same size, but be more spread apart. This is all for your seaweed employee training. Thanks for watching, and get modeling. We hope to see you make some great levels. Good work. Keep it up.